What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I hope you're all well. My name is Fabio, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can register your own domain using AWS instead of Google domains directly. Right, so go ahead and go to this website, aws.com, and then click on root user, create your own account. I'm just going to log into mine since I already have my own account. Okay, so then it's going to ask you to do a quick security check.
Please type the numbers you hear. 1, 0, 1, 4, 7, 8, 6.
Okay, then just submit that. Or once you sign into AWS, you can head over to networking, go over here to register domains, and then just click on this register domain. And yeah, type in the domain name you want. So for instance, I'm looking for Let There Be Light. Then I'll check to see if it's available. And there it will give me a list of options. It says it's unavailable, Let There Be Light, but there's other options like Let Get There Be Light, Let There Be Body, .net, .mobi, .com, .link. And yeah, you can just add that to cart and then yeah, confirm and pay for that domain. And then you've got the domain and that's it. Right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, like and subscribe for all the newbies out there. Really appreciate your support. Peace out.